On the northern side, a large bay is open to the north-northeast winds. The bay is well protected from the southerlies. Transparent waters that all swimmers will be grateful for. The bottom is sand and seagrass. Don't anchor on seagrass. It's best to drop your anchor to the west. Make sure your anchor is well dug in. Care is needed at the entrance to the bay. There are some rocks. On the south side of the bay, there is an old Italian military. Care is needed from the fish farms. The boatyard is close to the airport. There are standby to lift mooring buoys. A sheltered bay close to the boatyard with private mooring. The bottom is mud. There are no facilities around. And to be honest, not so cool to swim either. For more information, visit our website, link in the description below. Thank you for watching CTV.